powerful photo editing tool here, and which has a lot of features. You can see here the iPhone cam, you have digital cam, you have photo editing, you have a lot of effects which you can use with this application. Here you have the video editing feature for this. You have some presets which you can use as well. And if I do tap on the more option here, you can see a lot of different AI tools which you can use as well. You have the AI enhancer, image enhancer, you have the AI clothing. You have a lot of AI tools which you can use. You have the IDE option here. So much of them, guys, which will take forever for me to go through. Well, if you do need any help on any one of these, here you can see remove background. All of these are very, very simple to use. All you have to do, select whichever one you want. And let's say, for example, remove background. Once you have selected the option, they will give you a short preview of how it will look or how to use the feature and the result, the before and after you have uploaded the images. So most of these features, all you have to do is just upload an image of yourself or of something that you want to remove background for, and it pretty much does it very good. So it may ask you to upload an image, take a picture, and you're pretty much good to go based on what you're trying to create the AI image for, or based on what you're trying to do. It will ask you to upload an image. So let's say if I go down here and see other effects, I want to create effects like these. May need to upload an image of myself similar to this here. As you can see here, it will ask me to take a picture and so forth, and it will give me that effect. So nothing much for that there, and you can see here I have a video option as well. But what it will do is pretty much use the same effect that they have used to take in this image here, and you will get the same effect through their camera application here. So it's very crazy. You have the AI tattoo feature here as well. You have a lot of them, and you have some other features here as well. As you can see here, these are some different tattoos, so do keep that in mind. And as well, you have a lot of different AI tools which you can use as well. In the AI styles section here, you have a lot of AI tools again which you can use, or AI preset filters or effects which you can use. All you have to do is just tap on the one that you want and pretty much upload an image of yourself, and you will get the results like these. Do keep in mind, some of them you may need a subscription to use this feature, and some of them you will get for free. So here I can only use this 10 times for free, and after that I'm gonna need a subscription. So this camera icon here is pretty much the camera for you to take the pictures. As you can see here, it gives you a lot of features which you can use within the application, a lot of filters, a lot of crazy filters that girls may like. I'm not sure if guys on this will like this here, but a very good application. As you can see here, a lot of other edits which you can use as well. Most of these, all you have to do is just pretty much upload an image of yourself or image of something, and you get the results. So very easy application to use. So down here may see the claim your free trial. If I do tap on this option here, it will show me their subscription page and pretty much their pricing as it relates to their subscription. They don't give much details as it relates to what you'll be getting, but they say we're getting everything as it relates to their subscription. As you can see here, you have a 1 month subscription, and you have a 1 year subscription. They do offer a 3 days free trial, so you can test out the pro features or VIP features of this application and see if you will continue with their subscription. So very good application. It has a lot of potential and a lot of features which you can use, a lot of edits, a lot of templates which can use, a lot of effects which you can use. As you can see here, a lot of effects, guys, and as well you can go in the AI style section here and see a lot of effects as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and if I miss anything at all, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.